hardware and design. The Blackberry Motion is not quite the bezel-less contender. Then again, it doesn't need to have a fragile display to appeal to its target audience. That said, the Blackberry Motion's overall design features bold details and straight lines. Because of this and its mostly flat backside, the Motion doesn't feel very ergonomic. Those with small and medium-sized hands might feel that the lower corners dig into the palm. This isn't a major issue by any means. The screen isn't centered between the top and bottom of the phone's body, but this isn't something that the average person would be bothered by. However, given that the Blackberry Motion is equipped with mid-range internals with a pretty high asking price, there's not much wiggle room for shortcomings. Unlike many other blank-faced smartphones, the Blackberry Motion can be immediately recognizable if it's sitting face-up on a table or a desk. The Blackberry icon lies right on the fingerprint scanner below the display, which doubles as the home button. Though you can't tell while the phone isn't in use, there are two backlit capacitive navigation keys on either side of the home button. Above the display is a metal-clad speaker grille, an 8MP selfie camera, light and proximity sensors and an RGB LED notification light. The glass in front of the display is said to have a scratch-resistant surface thanks to the world's first nano-diamond anti-scratch coating. As previously mentioned, the sides of the phone are quite flat, enough to make the phone stand on its bottom edge fairly easily. From left to right, the bottom plane has a 3.5mm headphone jack, in-call mic, USB-C charger port, and loudspeaker grille. The bottom continuously curves to either side of the phone. On the left side is the SIM tray with an eSIM and microSD slot, while the right side has 4 physical keys. In typical Blackberry fashion, there is an additional programmable key which Blackberry calls its convenience key. This key is rigged to tell it apart from the power key and volume rocker. Speaking of which, the keys offer great tactile feedback. On a similar note, we really appreciate that Blackberry brought the power button back to the right edge of the phone. By contrast, the power key is on the left edge of the Blackberry Keyon and it took a bit of getting used to.